What's up, traders? This is Kevin James, your mentor, the only James in the country. If you didn't know, now you know. So, guys, we are currently back on YouTube. We're gonna start uploading weekly breakdown, analysis on US30, analysis on indices, on metal, and then we're gonna also share our strategy, the strategy that we use to make money. So let's carry on with the video of today. But before we carry on with the video today, just don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to show love. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment on what you think on what we analyzed. So on today's video, just gonna do a quick breakdown on US30 as always. So just be on the lookout. We're gonna be uploading a fire content, fire analysis on this YouTube channel because we are currently back. So on US30, we have what? As you can see, we have what? We have a to the upside. This is basically engulfing on what? It engulfs the previous candlestick, which was basically showing to us that we are doing what? We do have strong bias to the upside. So right now we are currently in what? We pushed up and then we sort of did what? We sort of we were in a correction runabout here, and then what we want to see US30 doing, we want to see US30 coming to break these highs or coming to these highs. So this is the high, this is the current high of US30. And then we're going to quickly what? We're going to quickly plot the current low of US30. And then right now we have basically what spotted the direction on US30. And then we're going to quickly go to what? A weekly time frame. And then we're going to jump to what? Because this is a weekly breakdown. So we have what? We have a push up candlestick, and then this showing us that we have the strongest momentum into the market right now. The bulls are really taking this market to the highs right now. So as you can see right now, we did what? We did come and respect this zone, which was basically being respected in the previous in the past data. And then we did come and what? We respected this was actually showing to us that we have the strongest momentum into the market because of what? Because this position was actually strong, or these zones are basically strong to be able to push, to take power, the bulls to be able to take power, so that right now we can be able to what? We can be able to buy. So as you can see, we bought and then run about here. We've been failing to break what? We've been failing to break run about this zone. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So we've been failing to break this. So if you can fail to break a zone, this is basically meaning to us we cannot pass this without not even coming to respect it. So this is basically saying to us that we are doing what? If you can break this, we are going to what? We are going to reach the highest. So the more we come and bounce at the certain zone, we bounce at the certain zone, is basically meaning to us that once we smash the zone, we're gonna do what? We're gonna quickly go to what? To your upside. As you can see right now, we have a bullish candlestick, which is basically saying that buyers are really strong into the market right now. So as you can see, we sort of did what? Sort of, if we are failing to break this, we ended up created what? We created inverse head and shoulder. So this is an inverse head and shoulder. As you can see, this is the shoulders, and then this is the head, and then this is the other shoulder. And then we did came and correct round about this zone. This was basically telling us that we are doing what? We are breaking this. So the market was basically consolidating round about this zone. So we knew that we're gonna do what? We're gonna smash this because we are from what? We are from invest head and shoulder. So let's just go and delete this, and then we go and start our analysis, our breakdown analysis on our what? On a daily time frame. So let's just quickly do what? Let's just quickly zoom out so that we can see the overall structure of the market. So as you can see right now, we're gonna do what? We're gonna create places where the market comes, it reverses. So this is basically saying to us, this is the strongest zones into the market. So where we see the strongest zone into the, where we see where the market was respecting previously, that's where you're gonna do what? That's where you're gonna plot what? Our horizontal line, or that's where you're gonna plot what? Our rectangular box. So right now we had a 10 run about this one. So this is basically a course on its own. So I'm basically going to show you what we do on this, on what we do on Forex Ghost. So where we see tens, we're going to put what? Our horizontal line. So this was the strongest zone into the market. As you can see, we respected here, and then we've been respecting run about these levels or run about this data. We respected this, and then we did come and respect. And before we came and respect, before we broke this, we sort of respected it. And then here, as you can see, guys, we had a double bottom. So if you can have a double bottom into the market, just know that we are doing what? We are breaking highs or we are creating new highs. So this is the strongest zone into the market. And then another zone I see, it's here. So you're gonna basically plot where if the market comes, we know that what we're gonna respect. Ne? So this is basically a previous data you're gonna do. You're gonna create those zones by looking at the previous data. And then this is basically around about it. So what I'm basically doing right now, I'm just creating places where the market, if the market comes or if the market past date is gonna come in. So it's basically what the strongest zone into the market. So when you get advance on this trading journey, you're gonna do what you're gonna see when your chart is gonna quickly start to be clean. You're not gonna have horizontally race or many horizontal race. So this is people, these lines are basically for people who are not really advanced into the forex market. So places where the market, when it comes, you're gonna have what? You're gonna have tens. And then these are the places. These are, so as I'm breaking it down, I'm gonna quickly, some of the horizontal ray, I'm gonna quickly remove it because I feel like they are redundant. As you can see here, we are up there, so which is basically these are redundant horizontal ray, but just for learning purposes, I'm just going to quickly keep them. And then here we have a horizontal ray. Let's not forget that here we had what? We had our current high. So let's not forget our current high, and let's not forget our current low. So let's just quickly do something like this so that you don't forget that we had what? We had our, this was our current low. And then let's go and quickly plot our what? Our current high. So this was a current high and this was a current low. So as you can see right now, let's just create a trend so that we can see where are we headed. So as you can see from the top, and then we drag it down. So let's just adjust it so that we can touch a little bit. Yeah, I feel like right now we are fine because as you can see, we had a first touch, second touch, and then this was a fake out, and then we can take it as a what? As a third touch. And then here before we broke, we did come in respect and then we broke. So where there's support, yeah, as you know, there's what? There's resistance. So this is what? This is your support. This is your support. So we're currently in a downtrend, and then we've just recently did what? We've broken out with a what? With an inverse head and shoulder. This was quickly saying to us that we are doing what? We are breaking high. So here we had double confirmation that we are doing what? We are going to the upside. We created a double bottom. Let's not forget about this double bottom. And then we did come, when we broke, we created what? A head and shoulder. So let's just quickly do something like this so that we can cater for the shoulders. So these are the shoulders. And then let's go and create a neckline. Our neckline is around about here. This was our neckline. So as you can see right now, the market is in balance. The market is kind of owing us a touch here. The market is owing us a touch here because this is an imbalanced market. Unless if you can do what, we can come and correct round about this when we correct, and then we push to the upside. So right now I'm just quickly waiting for what? For your correction. So as you can see, if we are in an uptrend, we just have to create an uptrend. So this is the uptrend that we are having. And then this trend, I'm going to quickly remove it because we are currently what? We're currently broken out of the downtrend. So as you can see, you had a first touch, second touch, third touch. So if you have if you have watched my previous video, you know that on a third touch, that's a high probability trade. Whether you like it or not, we're gonna push or we're gonna sell in that case. So let's just go to your what? Your 4-hour time frame, because right now we're quickly done with a daily time frame. So guys, just don't forget to subscribe button because we have a fire content that we had planned for you guys. So as you can see right now, we're sort of in what? We're sort of in an uptrend. So we've created first touch and then third touch and then second touch, third touch. So right now we're currently doing what? We're currently in a what? In an uptrend. So as you can see, we have a mini trend, and then the market has to come and correct. Let me show you what I mean by the market has to do something like this. So let's just go and find a brush tool. I think it's here. Yeah, let's just go and take the path. So what the market is owing us something like this. Even though we cannot come and respect, but the market is owing us something like this, and then we're gonna see the market pushing to the upside. You're gonna see when I go to a smaller time frame what I'm basically talking about. So here, as you can see, we had what we had a mini double bottom. So that's just gonna quickly cater for something like this. Just gonna quickly let's just go and zoom in so that we can see our candlestick formation. So this is what we're currently having. So what we're basically doing, we're gonna analyze this structure because this is the current structure. Forget about what's down here. If we can break this trend and then we can break this, we can break this support. We are going to what? We are going to analyze here. You get it? So what's below this support? It's a sell. And then what's above this support is a buy. So let's just go and create a trend. As you can see, we sort of created what higher highs, higher highs. This is basically saying to us that we have what? We have an uptrend. So where we have an uptrend, there's a trend. So let's just go and take our trend line and then we create something like this. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me just go and increase the font of this line. So let's just make it 2 pixels. And then I believe right now you can see, guys. So just bear with me. Just stay with me. So this is basically a course on its own. Just don't forget to drop some love. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to share the video that more people, they can come and get knowledge here because we are giving fire content to you guys. So as you can see, you had a first touch, second touch, third touch. That's a high probability trade. You have to make sure that you are in the trade. So I believe here, if we can correct, we can come and respect the trend line and then we can buy for one last time before maybe we can have a drop. But right now, I believe let's stop selling. If we can break this trend, that's when we're gonna sell. But anything above this trend, that's a buy. So don't get it twisted whereby you trade what you think. Don't trade what you think. Just trade what the market gives you. You get it. So let's just go to an hourly time frame so that we can analyze the current structure. So what we want to spot right now, we are analyzing what? The current structure. So as you can see, guys, right now we are here. Right now we are roundabout here. We are here. So that's where we at right now. So I believe if we can break this, that's what I believe. If we can break this, I believe we are coming here. You get it. But if we don't break this, if we don't break this support, we are doing what? We are doing something like this. We are coming here. So if you are coming here, we're going to look forward. We're going to look for a candlestick formation because I believe before we can buy again, we're going to need some sellers to step into the market. And then after some sellers stepping into the market, that's where you're going to see a major push to break what? To break this high. Though this is what I'm looking for. But however, the market can decide to give me what I'm not expecting, and then I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna follow what the market is giving me. So don't get it twisted, guys. Follow what the market is giving you, not what you think. So here I see just the mini trend somewhere around here. So this is a mini trend. So it might happen that before the market it comes to respect this, it might come and give us a touch somewhere around here. And then we're gonna start buying from this, and then we're gonna push to the upside. So right now, guys, we are currently in what? We are currently in a buy trend. So you're currently in a buy trend. As you can see right now, you're sort of creating what? You're sort of creating something like what? Something like a push down. And then this, I believe this is a correction. And then after, we're going to see what? We're going to see something like this. If we can break this and then we are coming here. If here we're going to look for a candlestick formation. However, this can be broken to come and respect this. You get it? So this is what I'm expecting the market to give me. And then I'm expecting the market to do something like this. Just hang on, guys. Someone is calling me. Let me just hang up. So this is what we're gonna look in the market, and let's just go to end our analysis on what? On your 30-minute time frame so that we can see what is basically happening here. So don't forget, guys, if we break this support, we can come here and respect this. Here we can look for a candlestick formation because we are doing what? We are a trend readers. You don't trade what we think. You trade what the market is giving us. So if you can go to your 30-minute time frame, let's just see what on a 30-minute time frame was basically happening. So this is the current structure. Let's not forget the current structure. And then we have something like this, our horizontal ray where there's a 10. Just don't forget where there's a 10 for the people that they don't know how to spot our your support and resistance. They're gonna basically get help when it comes to this strategy. So as you can see right now, guys, we're having what? I believe this is a correction. From here, we are headed to where? We are headed to somewhere around here. So from here are the places where you can buy. If you cannot break this, we can buy here. But if you can break this, we are coming here. So don't take sales, just wait for buys, because right now we're currently in a buying mode. You don't want to be against the market. You want to go with the market. So here, that's where we are looking to buy this market until here. So this is our current TP here, because from here, you don't know if the market's going to break or it's going to sell. It can give you something like a false breakout and then create a double bottom and then you're out. You get it? So if you can break this, we are coming to buy it somewhere around here. But I don't believe the market can fall until here, because the market is not a freeway. You're going to have something like this. Let me just show you with this. We're going to have something like this, delays, something like this, because analyzing the previous data, that's how the market is doing. So you're going to have something like this. The market cannot fall like this. You get it? So that's basically for it for the video of today, guys. Just don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share with the one that you love, the one which are seeking for forex knowledge, and then with the one which want to start embarking in the trading journey. Just don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Show us some love. Don't forget to like, share. We are currently back on YouTube, so this is the announcement that I had for you guys. So you're gonna meet on the next video. Just don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram at Kevin_James18. So we're gonna meet on the next video. Just don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.